Hello friends, welcome back to Blockchain Inside Out. Today I'm going to share few tips and tricks on pixels. You can see that I got a hen, so I'm getting some egg every 1 hour. I'm getting one egg, and for few days I'm trying. So I got 11 eggs so far. After that, you come here. This is mine. If you click, you will get three ironite. Do claim those every 1 hour and 30 minutes it will take to generate another three ironite. After that, you come here, six softwood. You place six softwoods, then click to bake iron bar. So every four ironite you will craft one iron bar and it will take 30 seconds. Just wait, and I'll collect one iron bar, and every iron bar will give you 9 berry. So it's nice if you keep on furnishing iron bar or crafting iron bar out of your ironite, your level will get increased and you will get more berry as well. Okay, now here I told you earlier that you can chop those trees, and your wood skill or this is forestry skill. Forestry skill will enhance, and then you will come to this land and harvest those. First let me harvest those, and then I'm going to give you one important tips. Those are rainbow, and this is cloves, clover, clover leaf. If you harvest clover leaf, it will give you huge opportunity to get one rare clover leaf, four leaf clover. Okay, let me check out if I got any rare clover. Then I am going to show you what it will do and how much it will cost. Yes, one four leaf clover I got. You can see two four leaves clover. Okay, a rare and some say lucky version of common nutrition. Three petaled snacks for animals, greasy food source that you can feed animal for unexpectedly fortuitous results. Okay, and I don't have any clover right now, so better I will harvest this butterberry for now. Let me check out that if I can harvest all the 60 lands and water those. So better I water those seeds first, then I will go forward. If i if i lose my energy, then I won't be able to water, and this will not give me butterberry in due time. So better I first water this, then I can sow another round of seeds. right? Okay, I guess I have watered all the seeds. Now I will sow another round of seeds. Maybe grainbow. Yes. Now let's water those seeds. And for now, my job will be done, and I will go to Terra Villa to show you some magic. Okay, my job is done, and you can see 838 berry I am having right now. Now I am going to Terra Villa, heading towards shop. Yes, and let's check. Talk to Hazel, and this is I bought chicken, and this is the clover seed. Three berry it will cost, so I will buy another 120. Okay, clover seed. Okay, and grainbow seeds also cost three berry, and you know popberry seeds cost only one berry. And now I am going to, and butterberry seeds cost only one berry. Now I'm going to sell some seeds. I have got one butterberry that will cost five berry, but I am not going to sell those. I can sell clover. If I sell clover, I will get six berry each. If I sell grainbow, I will get eight berry each. And I have four leaf clover. Number of items is two. So I will get 300 each. You check this. One is for 300. So I am selling one. Right? 778. Now I will sell grainbow max. Now I will sell clover, all the clover I will sell, and you see that I have got 1782 berries. So that's a good amount. After playing for first few days, I got that much amount. And you can see ironite bar, I have got four, so I can sell those. Ironite I have got 14, but if I sell those I will get only one berry, so I will not sell those. Better I will craft into ironite bar and then sell those, so I'll get nine berries each. And this is egg. Egg is not sellable. If you click on this utility, a basic cooking ingredient, so you cannot sell. You can cook anything out of your eggs. And that's all, my friends, because I haven't got many other items, because I have to upgrade my skills so that I will get much more new seeds, maybe new things for cooking. So I'm upgrading my skills and waiting to see what's next thing I'll get. Thanks for watching. Hope you have enjoyed this episode, and I'll come up with some new updates of pixels. Thank you. See you soon.